Hey guys, this is Trader UC from mommytrading.com. Just wanted to quickly review some of the plays we had this morning. So let's go to the Twitter page. And so these were the levels that Annie had shared in the morning. Let's start off with Amazon, right? The Amazon chart said that we're looking for a pre-market low here at 25.75 and now look for a move above 26.04, which was the resistance in the 15-minute time frame in the pre-morning time frame. So let's look for that. Or if you wanted to wait for the pre-market high, which was around 26.26, let's wait for that to be broken and get long above that. I think that's what Annie also mentioned in her tweet. So if I go and scroll up, where is that? There you go. So morning trying above 26 level. So that was the key level to kind of consider and watch. Still trading below that, can keep an eye on that one. So let's go to Amazon chart and see what it did. So here is a 5-minute chart. Let's drill down to a 2-minute chart because that's what me and Annie use for our entries a lot of times. Going to zoom in. So here was a level 26.04. Right, so we were waiting for that one to get broken and get in, but apparently we couldn't as it moved pretty fast off of that level. But if you had that notes in the morning, you could have gotten in. But sometimes early in the morning, if it takes that level out, you don't really get good fills because of the spreads are so wide. In the first few minutes, it is hard to get in. But if you had waited, 26 was a good level, and as you can see, we went all the way there, started chopping around just below that level. Did not see any bearish trend bars. There was no bearish follow through. And just when we broke that level, we really kind of zoomed in the next 10-15 minutes all the way to the next level of 26.60. So that was your entry. And I like these levels because the stock has a high probability of moving fast once these levels are broken or rejected, right? That's what you want from an ideal option trade. You don't want to sit in it for it to wait it out and see if it moves in your direction or not. You just want it to move so you can get in, take your money, and get out. You don't want to sit all day waiting for a position to work out. Let's look at let's look at, where did it go? There you go. So again, in the morning chart, what else was shared? Okay, let's look at Nvidia. I know Annie traded that as well, and the morning note said 359 is support, may go for a gap fill, which it did, and then look for a bounce back towards or above 366. Okay. So now let's go look at Nvidia chart. Let me pull that out. Again, it's a 2-minute chart of Nvidia. So we broke the key support area of 366 in the morning. We came all the way down, made a gap fill. So let me zoom out and let me go zoom out in the 5-minute time frame. Maybe that would be better. So yeah, this was the gap. Let me zoom in again. So this was the gap. It filled that gap and held the 359 support as we talked in the morning chart. That look for 359 as support, may go for a gap fill and bounce back, right? So it went for that gap fill and bounced back above 366. So once you see that those hammer bars are support being held, we got in right there and then moved and rode the move up, and that's once it moved above 366, I know Annie started taking profits right there. But that's what you want to do. You don't want to keep holding it that, hey, it will start moving or it goes towards the next top level of 374. Once you're already in profit, take some off the table. That's what you need to do. You need to lighten your lighten your contract size so that you can book your time frame, guys.